Another 20 minutes.
Nagdala ko pala. Alam po lagi sa kihong uli. Nagmagpatupag pag gano'n na mo pag-ibig.
Dapat maabot ni 1 hour. Pila ka 20. Tulo.
Hindi ako kaya sa mag-view o mag-live. Mag-live ako pa rin. Hindi araw na. Help me reach my goal.
Wow. Ganun na pa.
Dapat hindi. Baba ako dito.
So,
Next. No. Live ko din.
ito na. Ay, mamanda. Kuan, gikin siya sa kanan.
Hello everyone. I hope there will be someone who are going to visit this live stream. So I know that it's already been a long time since I go live here in this channel, but I hope that you'll still be with me even though I was in a hiatus for quite a time. And I wouldn't say that hiatus only lasted for a month because it lasted for 3 years. And yeah, but to tell you honestly, I wasn't really, I, I was busy with my another channel that I forgot that this channel existed. And now I am going to, to work this out because it's so lonely here, and I just want this channel to feel valued, and I want to reach my goal. Yeah, that's it. I hope there will be someone who is going to visit this live
QR
stream.
code. Ang bato makita.
Oh my god. I really hope so. I hope so because it's so lonely here. It's so lonely being alone in this lifetime. Yeah. And it's so fun to go on live, especially when there are lots of viewers, because you get to talk to anything, they get to ask you anything about your life, and I'm always open with any questions. I'm always an open-minded person. Just don't make it too personal because I might say it's impossible for me to answer anymore. Just question me anything, but do not make it super duper hyper personal because it keeps saying, oh my god, I hope there will be someone who's going to visit this live stream. It feels so eerie here. You know what? In my other channel, whenever I go to live stream, fortunately there would be 1 viewers, 3 viewers, or even 5 viewers that would
Fashion
stay. But
jewelry.
here, it's so lonely. So my sister is also working on her channel because we are aiming to reach our goal, which is to be monetized. Because once you get monetized, there will be a multiple doors of opportunities waiting for you, and once you have it. Hello to my 1 viewers. I hope you are doing wonderful day ahead. Taga saan po kayo? Pagpakilala naman po kayo para naman po hindi tayo ma-bored dito. Ala, gumalaw yung camera. Kasi you know what? nawala siya. It's so lonely. I hope you stayed longer. I was aiming for something actually. That's why I am hoping that somebody would visit this live stream. And it's really well appreciated if you do.
It really hurt.
Because you know, a million couldn't be a million without one.
Johnny.
So we should always appreciate the smaller things because that's what matters the most.
Aka nang di.
And I do believe that once you appreciate the smaller things, you get to... Hello, Jaime Salazar! Hello, hello, hello! Where are you from? I am hoping that you are just in the Philippines and you can speak Tagalog, because if you do not speak Tagalog, I will be having a hard time speaking English or worst, another language. Taga saan po kayo? Where are you from? And how are you? You know, New Year is fast approaching. Hello, hello. Jaime Salazar?
Di ano.
San Fernando. Pilipinas po ba yung San Fernando?
Paayo ko ba?
Sa Luzon, Barangay 1. I don't know, saang bahagi yan ng...
Luzon,
okay,
Visayas,
sa
Mindanao.
Luzon pala. I don't know, but you seem familiar. Maybe we had met in my another channel when I go live there. I remember you. Widow. What do you mean by widow? Are you a widowed person? Widow po kayo? Wala na po kayong tsema? Wala, nag-reconnecting. Mo din siguro mo. Ang sadami ho po. Ano rin? Nag-reconnecting ako. Yes, there, yeah. Pero ibang channel yun ha. Dito, ibang channel din ito. Yun, monetize na yun, habang dito hindi pa. And I'm still working in this channel and I hope that I will be able to reach the goal I'm aiming for. Ay! Meron po kayong channel na Jaime Salazar. Ay, Jaime? Asa man na si... How do you pronounce that word? Paano yan i-pronounce? Jaime or Jaime Salazar? Jaime, okay, tama pala ako. Ilang taon ka na, Jaime? Ilang taon na po kayo?
Mura mo ko diri ag kwaon.
Yung kapatid ko nagla-live din. I-aim din siya magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan kay YouTube. Also me, I am also aiming for something. Kaya ako naghihirap dito. Because you know, I'm 60. Okay. 60 na po pala kayo. Alam niyo, actually, nahihirapan din po ako magtagalog kasi hindi ko rin po siya hindi rin po ako sanay magtagalog. So, I actually prepare English more than Tagalog kahit na nasa Pilipinas ako kasi I spoke Bisaya. Sinigbuan ng Bisaya. And I am not, I am not that good or I am not pro in speaking Tagalog. I don't know why. Marunong man kung mag-think sa Tagalog or magbasa or magsulat, but I am not fluent with Tagalog. I am more into English than Tagalog. Maybe because, I always watch English movies. Are you from Visayas? Opo, taga Visayas po ako. Southern Leyte. Kaya po hindi po ako masyadong marunong mag-Tagalog kasi Bisaya people po. Kung hindi lang talaga taga Visayas na baka
Brown
Ay,
na din
actually,
yung buhok.
marunong naman ako magsalita ng Tagalog pero I couldn't consider myself as as really as someone who is really pro or extremely fluent with Tagalog. Hello to my 2 viewers. I hope you're doing a wonderful day ahead. Am I the only one here in the chat? Yes. Yes. You're the only one. Thank you so much for the one like. Doon po kasi sa ibang channel ko, marami tayo doon. Pero dito, I don't know why. I don't know why. Medyo hindi siya attractive sa mga viewers. Yes, tayo lang po ang dalawa dito at wala ng iba. At sana naman mas rumami pa tayo. Maganda kasi pag nagsasalita. What name is your other channel? Koan, Joji Kim Vlogs. Joji Kim Vlogs. Yun yung, yun yung pinanood nyo kahapon. Joji Kim Vlogs. Joji Kim Vlogs. Dito naman ay show na May. It's actually my sister's channel and I chose to work this channel out. Kasi napaka-sad dito. More good than Thea. What do you mean by that? More good than Thea. Ay, more good than this. Ah, okay. Yes, that channel was a way more better than this channel. Yes. Kasi po, maraming subscriber na doon, maraming viewers, and whatnot. Dito kasi is super lonely super lonely tayo dito. Hello to my 2 viewers. Magpakilala naman po kayo kung sino kayo para naman po magkausap tayo. And I hope that you would drop by to say something in the comment section para naman po uusad tayong lahat. And I also hope na taga Pilipinas na po kayo so that we will be able to understand each other. Kasi nakakapagod mag-English. Lalo na if English wasn't your native language or English is your second language, it's really hard to, to shift into the other language where your tongue is not really used to it. Yes. Nasaan na siya? Bakit siya umalis? It's actually okay. That's normal. People come and go. And we have to accept the fact that is life.
Come on, guys.
Ang sarap na yung baray.
13 minutes
13
na.
minutes na.
I don't know why
I guess
I do it every time.
Thank you so much.
I was a girl in the village doing alright,
Sige, wala pa niya.
and I became a princess overnight. Gonna figure out how we do it
Oh,
right.
di ba? Ano na yung 1 subscriber?
So much to learn and see.
Jen!
Oh, ako ra adto. Up in the castle with my new family. Just a royalty. A whole enchanted world is waiting for me. I'm so excited to be.
So excited to be.
I'm finding out what being royal and about.
Mo nga po niya palis na baray sa tong GC?
Let's see. Make it my way. It's been an adventure every day.
Lista na sa GC, please.
It's gonna be my time to show them that I Sophia at first. I was a girl in a village doing alright. Kaya na po, kato na pong darna.
Ano man?
Ano ba tipik asaan?
Naligin. Ato ni extension ng ugto.
Sabi na, extension.
Aron ang kita 1 to 10, ang 11 to 20 to sa extension 2. Andiyan na extension 2. Ugma na ta may extension 2.
Uy, brown jug ang buhok na. Brown. Dito rin black. Brown na dahil suggest sa kuan. Camera. Uy, murag shiny. Shiny.
What did baray na palista baray?
Wow. Masa naman po yung ititle ani?
Ano, bigyan mo. Huwag mo ko ano dyan na 10 tahay. So na po 10. 20 subscriber na siya.
Masa may itong kuan niya ni bahong ititle?
Horse na ito ko. Ano? Masigil ako direct ng bam.
Kuan na lamang. So, may kuan na ni. Nothing to do. Sa man, tagay ko be. Sa mga ititle. Gina. Huwag mo kayo buhat.
Ay ka nang about ano ka nag-reach yung buong tahay. Princess overnight. I'm so excited to be. Ang magkigisin naman ba?
Okay.
Awa.
I'm finding out one thing. Then about to find out first begin. It's been an adventure every day. Wala. I'll show them that I'm something.
Have faith, courage.
Courage. Courage. Daka na.